All right, this is one of the coolest mountaineering baseball caps I've ever experienced in my life. It's me, Bo Chevasu. We are on the glaciers of Mount Rainier, and I wanted to show you guys this. Now, first of all, first impressions, when you put this on, you are surprised as to how long the bill is. So the brim juts out quite a bit. I don't know if you can tell, but there's some snow going on me right now, and it's protecting my nose because it juts out so far. Now, when it comes to portability, look at how this folds down. That folds down organically. I did not do that. And it just comes like that. It's got this stretchy sweatband on the inside. It's mesh. It's got these little buttons on the outside. So it's modular. That means you can put these this sunshade on that goes around the back of your neck. For me, the sun keeps coming out. And so, I don't know, it's kind of unpredictable. So I just left that off for now. As far as the back, you can see that this band right here is adjustable. It's got a little bit of stretch and give in it. And overall, super lightweight, super compact, absolutely fantastic for travel if, in fact, you are out in the wilderness.